So I'm just currently here in Bedfordshire with Joseph Daniels, who I'm currently in his gold mine area. Joseph Daniel has been a member of the World Circle community, where I've been working with him over the last coming up to over a year now. He first started his education with us in October 2020 and then joined our mentorship program in January last year. When I first met Joseph, he had two rent-to-rent properties that he's taken on because the landlord said yes, but he did not actually know how to get it tenanted, do the compliance work, and so on and so forth. After Joseph got himself educated, he managed to get the property tenanted and then met with all the compliance requirements, within his property portfolio. And Joseph has now gone into having about 6 property under management, and in the last 6 months, Joseph also managed to sell about 3 to 4 rent-to-rent deals, and currently he's brought me down to Bedfordshire, where he's currently got about 4 deals that he's currently working on. So 3 rent-to-rent deals and 1 delayed completion purchase property that he's trying to secure. So Joseph is going to take us into this property. He's going to talk us through the numbers on this particular deal, and which he's going to be taking on behalf of another Wealth Circle community here at Property Wealth Education in Bedfordshire. So we're going to go in and Joseph's going to talk us through the numbers on this particular deal. How many bed is it? What other works that is required for this property to be compliant? And I'm also currently aware that this property doesn't currently have an HMO license. Joseph's going to be talking to us what he intends to do to get the HMO license. So let's go in and Joseph will take over the mic.
So guys, as Daniel said, this is a 5-bedroom property. I'm just going to walk you through now and let you know about the deal and how it's going to be structured, and also what needs to be done in the property. So guys, as we come in, we've got the first bedroom here, so double bedroom. So as you can see, we've got the natural light coming in, yeah, it's quite a spacious room. But one of the things that we've noticed is that it doesn't have a HMO license, and there's a few things that need to be done to make sure the property is compliant. So one of the things that we need to make sure that it's done is, number one, thumb locks. So we need to have thumb locks on each of the doors to make sure that it's safe and secure for the tenants. Also, there's intermittent strips as well. Intermittent strips need to be placed on the door, and also the fire. Also, this needs to be a fire door as well, because as you can see right now, it's not a fire door. If you feel it, it's not a strong enough door. So fire door, intermittent strips, also smoke alarms as well in this room need to be installed as well. So guys, we're going to be going into the second bedroom now. This bedroom is quite unique to the other ones because it's got access to the garden. The rent for each of the rooms, we're looking at about £450 minimum. It's got a good demand and supply. We're going in now to the kitchen, as you can see, guys. So just mind your step. So guys, this is a nice spacious double, nice big spacious kitchen here. So in the front there, it's got the bathroom, it's got the shower, it's got the toilet as well, and then we've got the garden as well. So follow me upstairs as I talk you through more of the deal, talk you through the numbers, and yeah, talk you through what the profit's going to be on this deal. So guys, we're here now on the first floor, and I just thought I'd take you through the numbers of the deal. So as I've said already, this is a 5-bedroom property, and the gross rent that will be coming in from this property will be about £2,250, and then the landlord wants £1,250, and then we've got the bills, which will be about £500 thereabout. So we're looking at about £500 net profit every single month. So that's the deal, and that's the net profit and the gross rent of the deal. So yeah, this deal is quite a good deal. So we're going to be going through to the rest of the property now, and we're going to be looking at this room here. So as you can see, guys, it's a very, very spacious room here. Again, there's a few things that we need to do in the room. Like needs to have smoke alarms, make sure that all the smoke alarms are interlinked, intermittent strips, fire doors. Again, we come through to another spacious double room here again, yeah, just make sure that everything is compliant and up to scratch to make sure that it's HMO compliant. So we've got a bathroom here on the left, and in this room here, this is the final room, which is the double room. Again, it's a massive massive room here. You know, this benefits from, you know, the length of the room. So guys, that's the deal. That's the 5-bedroom house. I hope you've enjoyed the tour. So now what we're going to do going forward is that we're going to pass this deal on to one of our Wealth Circle clients. He'll be taking on this deal, and yeah, they'll benefit him from the cash flow.
So guys, yes, we're done with this property tour. We've observed there's no Tom-Tom locks. We've observed it needs fire door, it needs instrument strips, it needs fire alarms, and obviously the HMO license is going to be applied for. And Joseph is kind of run you through the exact things that he will be doing in this particular property. So we can't wait to see what Joseph is going to do with this property. Obviously, he's not going to be taking it on by himself. What he's looking to do is to give it to someone else who is in the rent-to-rent space, who is interested in building their portfolio. And at the moment, Joseph is currently taking on a lot of deals in Coventry, in Bedfordshire and surrounding areas, where he's helping people manage that property and give them, you know, passive income instead of them doing it themselves. So Joseph will find a deal for them, manage the deal for them, and then pay that investor a passive income month in, month out. So Joseph, it's been an absolute pleasure you inviting me here. Just before we go, is there any final words you just want to share very quickly? How can people reach you?
People can reach me. Well, first of all, before I say that, it's very important that you need to have a mentor. A mentor is someone who has results and who's experienced to help you along your way. So I've got Daniel Moses, who's, you know, a portfolio millionaire. He's able to, you know, start from zero to building a £7 million property portfolio, and I've got him here to do, you know, some more final due diligence. So you need that, especially when you want to take on a deal. So now how you can reach me is you can reach me on Instagram at Mr. Joseph Daniels, or you can reach me on Facebook at Joseph Daniels. So let's connect, guys.
Let's connect. See, Joseph, thank you so much, man.
Yes, thank you.